Welcome back, my dear friend. My name is Nainmark, and today in this video I am showing you how to start a business with $100, guys. But before that, do you want to make $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000 a day with online? Also, my primary goal is helping you to make more money, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. There are lots of ways to make money online, but guys, you need some capital. If you want to create a Shopify store, maybe you need $1,000, but in this video I'll show you how you can start business with just only $100, guys. What is the best business in online 2020, guys? How to start this business, how you can make money with your business, guys, and also how to scale this business, guys. So first and foremost, best business in online is affiliate marketing, guys. So what is affiliate marketing? You join an affiliate network and you find a product, and then guys you promote this product and earn a certain amount of commission. In this case you can earn up to 50% to 100%. First of all, I think I need to share with you guys the screenshot how I make my money with this business method. As you can see here, guys, on ClickBank I earned this week $4,272. Also you can see here my daily snapshot: $691, $49, $677, $858, $933, $162. Also I have another income source is JVZoo. You can see here my today earning is $375 and my yesterday earning is $385. So how we can make this money, guys? So how to start this affiliate marketing business, guys? First of all, you need to join an affiliate network. I recommend you, if you're from USA or UK, you can join probably ClickBank, guys. On the other side, if you outside of USA or UK, you can join JVZoo. I use both. You can create a ClickBank affiliate account or JVZoo affiliate account, and then guys, so I think lots of people may be not from USA, so that's why I show with you JVZoo. Click on affiliate and then find a product. You need to choose your product. You can see here this product is sold by 37,000. Conversion ratio is, guys, 2.87. What is conversion ratio? Conversion ratio mean, guys, if 100 people go to this landing page, probably 3 people buy this product, guys. So we can see here EPC, that's mean earning per click $1.44, $2.79. Also average price this product is, guys, $50 and we get 50% commission, so I think $25 just. So our third question is how we can make money. You can make money from ClickBank or JVZoo. So I show it you JVZoo. You need to do is join those groups and then, guys, create a website. Why? Because, guys, you can see here they have lots of category on ClickBank, and you need to choose a category and stick with that. Create a website and create a YouTube channel. Combine them and, guys, you can make lots of money with YouTube AdSense, YouTube affiliate marketing, also your website. If you see my earning, guys, all this commission, guys, I get, this is my passive income. I do the work first and then I get lifetime commission. I recommend you start with a high price product or high ticket product. So I think I need to find is high price product. So if you not found a high price product, you need to do is, guys, click average price. So as you can see here, this product price is, guys, $2,217 and you get 50% commission. You know the math, guys. how much money you can make. Also, this product conversion ratio, as we can see here, 20%. That's mean if we send 100 people to on this product page, probably 20 people buy. If 20 people buy and you get 50% commission, you know how much money you can make. So I recommend you start a website. So if you want to start a website, you need, guys, is a domain and a hosting. I recommend you guys start with Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the best hosting provider. If you click on my link and buy a web hosting, I get some money, but guys, you get free domain name for 1 year, free SSL certificate. Also, you get just only $3.95 a month to start your blog. This offer is not for all. This offer is only for my audience, guys. If you search on Google Bluehost, you get this offer, $7.99. Or if you click on my link, you get $3.95. So I encourage you to start a blog and start a YouTube channel, make a YouTube video, combine them and make lots of money. I guarantee you can make $1,000 per day with this business method. So how to scale this business? In this case, you can do a Facebook ad, Google ad if you have money. I recommend you start first one website, get lots of traffic, get some money, and then create another website and then another website. Build a 4 or 5 website. I think you can make $300 per day. And when you build lots of websites, you can make lots of money. And when you have lots of money, you can do Facebook ad, Google ad, and instantly you can make $2,000 a day, $5,000 a day. I have a free step-by-step training, guys, for you on my channel. Just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe now, and then, guys, go to playlist, check the affiliate marketing playlist, watch the full video. I guarantee you can make money with this business method, guys. So if you want to step-by-step training how you can make a website, you can comment now, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.